Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 25th of April 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.11%, settling the day at 38,460.92 while Nasdaq ended the session at 15,712.75, rising 0.10%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,796.01 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,170.49. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,365.50, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. Yesterday, FII sold 2,511.74 crores in cash market. Ban on adding new credit card customers will likely impact Kotak's positioning amid tough competition. Hindustan Unilever eyes modest margin improvement on better product mix, will invest in 6 growth areas. Nestle India is expected to post a volume growth of 5.3% and a pricing growth of 3% YoY in the January to March quarter YoY. Now talking about global aspects, new orders for manufactured durable goods in the United States surged by 2.6% month-over-month in March. Crude oil inventories in the US fell by 6.368 million barrels in the week ended April, the most since January and against market expectations of a 1.6 million increase. Crude stocks at the Cushing, Oklahoma, delivery hub went down by 659,000 barrels. WTI slipped 0.66% to $82.81, while Brent fell 0.45% to settle at $88.02 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.64%, down. The US dollar is trading at 105.63, down by 0.07. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. The key equity indices, Sensex and Nifty traded in positive terrain with significant gains in metal, healthcare, and consumer durable stocks. Major benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty settled the day at 73,852.94 and 22,402.40 respectively, tracking firm cues from global peers and ahead of key Nifty 50 earnings this week. Barring IT and media stocks, all indices traded with gains. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, the index has adeptly defended its upward sloping support trendline, aligning closely with the psychologically significant 22,000 mark. Looking ahead, the next resistance level to monitor is around 22,500, with a possibility of extending to 22,600 if sustained momentum persists. Immediate support rests at 22,250. In Bank Nifty, 48,300 to 48,500 will act as strong resistance for the short term. 47,500 and 47,300 would be the sacrosanct support zone for the positional traders.